Naimisha travels towards north for 10 kilometers, then towards west for 4 kilometers. She then travels a distance of 5 kilometers towards her right and again 12 kilometers towards right. What is the distance between initial position and the final position? Okay, so let this be the starting point. So north, east, south, and west. Now, Naimisha travels towards north for 10 kilometers. So let this be the point after traveling 10 kilometers now. And then towards west for 4 kilometers. So she moved towards west from this point for a distance of 4 kilometers. So let that be the point. So this will be 4 kilometers. She then travels a distance of 5 kilometers towards her right. So now she is facing west. Yes. Now she travels a distance of 5 kilometers towards right. So when she is facing west, this will be her right and this will be her left. So she turn right and move the distance of 5 kilometers. Now, uh, now she is facing north, and again she turned right uh, 12 kilometers. Sorry, she turned 12 kilometers towards right. So again, so she is facing north. So this will be right, and this will be left. She turned right and moved a distance of 12 kilometers and reached this point. This distance is 12 kilometers. Now, what is the distance between the initial point and the initial and final position? So this is the final position. This is the initial position. You are asked to determine the distance between these two. Yes. So if I drop a perpendicular from this point onto this axis, yes. So this total distance is 12 kilometers. This total distance is 12 kilometers. Okay. This distance is 4 kilometers. Okay. Then this distance will be 12 minus 4. Yes. So can I say that this distance will be 8 kilometers? Now coming to the vertical length. It is given that this distance is 10 kilometers. This distance is 5 kilometers. So the total length will be 15 kilometers. Yes, sorry, 15 kilometers. Now we have a right angle triangle with the right angles, the perpendicular sides as 15 kilometers and 8 kilometers. So the length of the hypotenuse will be under root 15 square plus 8 square. So 225 plus 64, which is equal to 289. So under the 289, which is 17 kilometers. So the distance between initial point, initial position and the final position in this problem is 17 kilometers.